We need to secure the tail section first, then stabilize the fuselage before the storm hits.
Agreed. The terrain makes extraction difficult.
Raptor 6, you are clear for approach. High winds at the LZ, advise caution. We are ready for the drop. Set her down easy, we have clearance. Roger that, touchdown in 2 minutes. We have touchdown, confirmed secure. Roger that, lifting off.
Check the master link.
Clear.
Clear. All secure, bring it up slow.
Keep it steady, watch the clearance on the fuselage.
Copy that. Bringing it down easy.
The corrosion on the altimeter is extensive, but the control wheel leather is surprisingly intact after all these years.
Road conditions up ahead look challenging.
The survey data says the bypass is clear. Let's take that route.
Bring her down slow, watch the clearance on the right. All right, set it down, we're clear.
This level of weathering requires immediate attention.
Absolutely. The restoration evaluation must account for the stress fractures.
I'll update the schematic with the salvage assessment data.
Slow and steady. Set her down gently on the forward cradle. Confirmed. Mission accomplished.
Check the tolerances on the empennage mount here.
Looks good according to the schematic. We can proceed.
The laser scan shows severe deformation here.
We'll need a complex patch design to restore the structural integrity in the field. The structural integrity is compromised, but the core mechanism is sound.
If we reroute the hydraulics as shown, we increase output by 20%.
The data confirms that's feasible.
We're committing to a full restoration.
The structural integrity demands a complete rebuild.
It's a major undertaking, but we're ready.
We need to address the corrosion on this rib before we seal it up.
Agreed. I'll update the plan for the flight surface. Running the actuator cycle now.
Flap movement is nominal, pressure holding
Steady on the diagnostics.
So the sealant goes here, following the riveting pattern.
Right, check the diagram for the torque specs on these bolts.
Powering up the main display now.
Looks good. All systems nominal.
A little to the left. Okay, hold it there.
All right, I'm starting the torque wrench now.
Testing sequence underway. System verified. Ready for operation.
Stand by for ignition. Confirm clear of the intake.
Confirmed clear. Fire bottle armed and ready.
Yes, mission accomplished. It's finally finished.
She runs perfectly.